Formula One has grown throughout the decades into one of the most popular sports in the world, appealing to millions of fans and attracting huge sponsorship deals as it strives to push its technology to the limits. Although Formula One itself is very much a global sport, its nucleus is found in the UK, with 7 of the 10 current constructors based there. The recently introduced Formula E series is the electric future of motor racing, typically carried out on tight street circuits. The sport has been extensively gathering a following as it soon enters its 5th season in late 2018. Its presence displays a more sustainable approach to motorsport, and as with Formula One, filters advanced electric car technology to the domestic market.
However, Formula E has been without a British home since London ceased their partnership in 2016. Their E-Prix are the pinnacle of sustainable motorsport and is a seamless fit with the TracMôn renewable energy scope.
The cars now coming up onto the grid and they'll only be held there for seconds.
Like Formula E, Formula One will soon be without a British venue. Silverstone has been the home to the British Grand Prix since 1948, but in 2019, Silverstone will host its final Formula One Grand Prix. Here lies the opportune moment for Anglesey to entertain some of the world's greatest drivers and host a top sporting event. With their beautiful location, TracMôn has the prospect of hosting 2 major motorsport championships, becoming the new home to Britain's adoring racing fans and putting Anglesey on the world map.
It was decided that a development of an existing racetrack would be more feasible than designing an entirely new venue from the ground up. The coastal circuit on the Isle of Anglesey seemed like the perfect location as the track has been continuously improving its facilities over the past years and is fast becoming a driver favourite. The Isle of Anglesey is 276 square miles but has a population of just 70,000. It is the largest Welsh island and the 6th largest in Britain. Its rugged coastline and vast countryside makes it a popular destination for holidays and outdoor pursuits. TracMôn is a huge tourist attraction to the island, and the development of the circuit is encouraged by the Anglesey County Council and the Welsh Assembly Government. The track started as service roads on an old Royal Artillery base. Now, the track is seen as one of Britain's best, and the proposed redevelopment will raise the profile and status of the venue to a whole new level.
CMC Engineering are a diverse team of young engineers who possess experience in a wide range of sectors and a passion for delivery of high-quality designs. The company was formed to fill a gap in the market of delivering world-class FIA-approved racing venues and associated developments. Our closely integrated multidisciplinary team made us ideally placed to deliver this to the highest quality whilst ensuring budgets and programme is maintained. As CMC Engineering's project director, I have had principal responsibility for ensuring the successful delivery of TracMôn. To ensure this, I act as the principal point of contact between our client and the team, thus guaranteeing a consistent approach between all our constituent disciplines. To assist with managing our diverse team, Rosemarie Poad and Adam Carthew have been appointed as lead civil and mechanical engineers respectively. Our experienced team of civil and coastal engineers additionally comprise of Benjamin Robbins, Christopher Benson and Georgina Jenkins. These are joined by Adam Hawkins, Stuart Morton and Edmund Norris, our skilled team of mechanical engineers.
After extensive analysis of the existing site, it was found that a range of modifications were needed to ensure this venue will not only meet FIA regulations, but will also provide world-class facilities for the spectator. The current site consists of an 11-turn, 3.4km track, a pit paddock complex, racing school and medical centre. However, these facilities will need significant renovation to ensure they meet the extensive regulations set by the FIA. Our aim is to sustainably design a world-class Formula One or Formula E venue. Therefore, the design of TracMôn will consist of an additional 1.5km extension of the race circuit, addition of permanent grandstands, the development of the starting straight and world-class pit paddock complex, and the addition of an FIA-approved medical centre. Further, These include the design of a marina equipped with oscillating water columns, a 5-star hotel and observation tower. Additionally, the design and development of supporting infrastructure has been provided to ensure that the expected capacity of TracMôn can be sustained safely and effectively, with renewable energy generation and upgrading of transport networks. Every venues must now meet exceedingly high track safety requirements, and that has had a major influence on the design of the TracMôn racetrack. The existing circuit is made up of several circuit layouts, the longest being 2.1 miles. This is adequate for an e-prix, but not suitable for Formula 1 Grand Prix. The track is already licensed with the Motorsport Association and Autocycle Union. However, the track extension will allow the circuit to obtain a Grade 1 FIA licence.
CMC Engineering's professional engineers have produced FIA standard drawings for the new circuit and are focused on maximising driver and spectator safety with positioning of run-off zones, gravel traps, high friction paint and Tech Pro barriers. These features are designed to decelerate a car when it is out of control, preventing a collision with track walls and barriers at speeds up to 200 km/h. Throughout the design process, CMC Engineering have worked closely with the FIA regulations to ensure that the circuit meets the highest level of safety standards achievable.
There will be 2 permanent grandstands, which will enable seating for 35,000 guests at one time. The permanent grandstands will have benched or folded seating and will be sheltered using a canopy roof. In order to accommodate the 75,000 spectators, temporary grandstands will also be used. It is required by FIA that a medical centre is provided on site and will include a burns unit, x-ray unit, as well as minor treatment rooms. Additionally, to ensure safe operation of TracMôn, a helipad will be required for rapid off-site transportation to hospital. Due to there not currently being dedicated parking areas at Anglesey Circuit, a multi-storey car park will be included on site. The car park has 4 storeys, with one level being underground, will accommodate 5,000 cars. There will be designated areas on site that will provide retail, food and entertainment, including a ticket office, restaurants and mobile refreshment installations. This area will be made available to hire during off-peak times to private functions and conferences. During large events, including F1 and FE races, there will be temporary structures, including additional food stores, in order to help manage the increased number of guests. The pit complex will be a 3-storey construction with 30 double pit garages. The pit complex will contain F1 and FE team garages that all include electric supplies, hospitality suites and media areas. Additionally, the top floor will include viewing terraces and private boxes overlooking the track.
To support the world-class venue at TracMôn, CMC Engineering have designed a high-quality 5-star hotel. The hotel includes a wide range of excellent facilities, including a large restaurant, comprehensive leisure facilities, and ample spaces to allow the hotelier maximum flexibility. 500 guest rooms are provided with a range of different room types to cater for the wide range of visitors expected to TracMôn. The leisure facilities include a gym, squash courts, bathrooms and swimming pool. An extensive range of function and conference facilities have been included to bring a continuous source of revenue to Gwynedd Hotel throughout the course of the year. These include a large, flexible conference space which hosts stunning views over the Welsh coastline.
To ensure customer comfort is maximised, world-class mechanical and electrical service has been provided. These services include HVAC climate control, domestic water, drainage and sanitary services, and state-of-the-art electrics, power and data connectivity. Each of these services has been designed to the highest of industry standards, working closely with CIBSE guides, BREEAM sustainability guidelines and relevant building regulations. Throughout the hotel, high-efficiency, low-energy lighting and presence detectors have been utilised to reduce energy usage, and high-efficiency condensing gas boilers have been utilised for all heating and domestic purposes. It has been vital that TracMôn can operate sustainably. To achieve this, the engineering team has designed several renewable energy generation devices around the venue. These include the use of Tesla solar roof tiles, 1.7 megawatt onshore wind turbines and oscillating water columns. Tesla solar roof tiles have been utilised as they provide the most cost-effective solution without negatively impacting the visual aesthetics of the venue. Tesla solar roof tiles cover 65,000 metres squared at the TracMôn site. This means that the solar roof tiles will generate 3,000 megawatt hours per year.
Another source of renewable energy planned for TracMôn is a wind farm consisting of 10 General Electric 1.7 megawatt turbines. Each turbine combined can produce 37.23 gigawatt hours of clean energy every year. This is more than enough to power the entire TracMôn venue, and excess energy can be sold to the grid for added income.
Finally, TracMôn will utilise oscillating water columns as part of its marina breakwater design. 20 turbines will utilise the Anglesey wave activity with a production of 1.12 gigawatt hours of green energy expected annually. The breakwater has been designed with climate change allowance and provides protection from a 100-year storm event for the marina.
The marina adds an exciting dimension to TracMôn, has been optimised to provide berthing up to 129 vessels, with 9 berths allowing for a maximum length of 30 metres. The design has been aimed at accommodating elite clientele while future-proofing against the trend of increasing vessel sizes. The area of land reclamation expands the appeal and year-round functionality of the marina, providing retail, car parking and vessel launching facilities. The marina benefits TracMôn through an increased revenue stream generated as a direct result of marine operations, increased visitor numbers to the wider TracMôn site, and through the use and sale of renewable energy generated.
The landmark structures throughout the site have been implemented to provide focal points and iconic features. Standing in the middle of the track will be an observation tower with multiple balconies down its length and a bar area at its peak. To connect the tower to the main arena of the venue, a composite bridge has been designed and utilised for its improved resistance to corrosion in the aggressive sea environment.
A new highway has been designed to cope with the influx of traffic to the newly developed racetrack. The new highway uses an existing link on the A55 North Wales Expressway and consists of 6 miles of newly built road running through the countryside, linking with already existing road. The new highway will ensure that vehicles travelling to the developed racetrack do not impede on the already existing infrastructure that will deal with everyday traffic. The construction of the site has been estimated to take 3 years. Construction has been split down into 3 separate phases. Phase 1 consists of the hotel, track and external highways. Phase 2 continues with the remaining work on the hotel, composite bridge, observation tower and the internal highways. Phase 3 will finish the construction of the site, entailing the construction of the marina, the medical centre and the wind turbines.
CMC Engineering estimate that the entire project will cost £539 million. It is hoped that the main contributor to this sum will be the Welsh Government, as they encouraged the development of the circuit in the past and have contributed funds for previous track improvements. The remaining funds will be obtained from private sources as well as potential track and car sponsors such as Pirelli and Rolex. CMC Engineering are in contact with Tesla and General Electric in regard to potential site-wide sponsorship deals. On screen is a breakdown of the project costs. The race venue amounts to £253.5 million, with secondary deliverables costing £111.8 million. Gwynedd Hotel makes up around a tenth of the overall project cost, with a value of £39.4 million. It is necessary to conduct an extensive cash flow analysis that suggested that the project will start making a profit after 5 years of project startup and will break even after 10 years. All loans will be repaid by the 16th year of the project, 12 years after full site commission. It is estimated that the project will be making an average annual profit of £74.2 million, which will substantially increase upon final loan repayment. By year 30, annual profits could be as high as £270 million.
A brief holistic assessment of the potential benefits of this project has shown the major impact the racetrack has on the local economy. It is expected that the TracMôn redevelopment will not increase the benefits seen by local business. With increased visitor numbers anticipated, facilities further afield will benefit from the track-related event. The structures that have been planned out will also bring more employment opportunities for many people in the area, not just during the construction aspect, but the hospitality sector too, providing sustainable and stable employment within the area. The development also presents opportunities for new businesses to be created within the area to provide leisure and services to locals and tourists alike.
A SWOT analysis was produced outlining the strengths, weaknesses, opportunities and threats of the project. The main success factors for the project are the knowledge that Silverstone are terminating their F1 contract, therefore increasing the opportunity for a high-profile track to be developed at Anglesey. Additionally, a strong cash flow is essential to ensure the project can be supported into the future. It is essential that CMC Engineering build strong relationships with clients and suppliers in order to help support the development and to build a strong reputation.
Within this project, there are many avenues for risk. Whether these are personal or financial risks, CMC Engineering have taken steps to mitigate these, providing not only a safe site, but also a safe investment. For example, TracMôn is reliant upon not only one aspect. The marina, hotel and renewable energy have the capacity to operate all year round, providing a sustained income. Whilst the track activities provide a much welcome revenue boost, the project is not wholly dependent on race or track events.